Hey guys, so Samsung just launched a big 1.7 gigabyte June update for the Galaxy S22 series of phones. The changelog here for Korea doesn't mention much. The main thing here really is the touch firmware. So if you're experiencing ghost touch issues, those should be permanently fixed now, hopefully. And the version number here says AVF1. It's AVH in other regions, so there's that. I also heard people saying that the battery calibration is improved, so like the last 5% won't die as fast, because I noticed on the S22 the last 5% dies in like 2 minutes, even though it says it'll last another hour. It never does. So hopefully that gets fixed, as well as like general phone smoothness and whatnot are improved. So there's that, and of course the camera and One UI home versions got upgraded, but the main reason why this update is so big is the camera improvements, and this is like in broken English, so I kind of just wrote them here. Improved sharpness and contrast, so like when zooming in, the photos should look nicer, less like a watercolor, There's a bug apparently in single take mode where when you keep pressing the add 5 seconds thing, I guess it didn't work before, but now it should be better. Weirdly, this one, there's a white balance issue apparently when taking pictures of dogs. I guess it'll be for cats as well, like white cats, but yeah, it says puppy there. And I guess there's memory leak issue maybe for video recording, that's why it says that. So yeah, when video recording, hopefully there'll be less like frame drops and stutters. Portrait mode performance and camera performance. I guess maybe there's like in that before, so they fixed that as well. So yeah, some nice changes. I personally don't have the updates, so I'll be asking you guys, is the video stuttering issue fixed? I heard some people have that issue where you start a video and then after a few seconds like buffers and it resumes. It's very weird. I don't have that issue, but yeah, let me know if you have that fixed. And also the HDR fixed, because the S22 Ultra has like a weird issue with the HDR. It's a bit weird. And for the future, this is just like something I posted on Twitter. The July update will supposedly fix shutter lag, so that's nice. And there were some mentioning nightography improvements. And the August update will most likely be Android 12L with One UI 4.1.1, which is mainly for the Fold 5 and Flip 4. And Android 13 will be coming in like November, December-ish, approximately. And if you guys want to add if you guys want to check this out, I made a little, if you guys want to check it out, I made a wish list as well for things that they could add to One UI 5. So if you want, you can add your suggestion here, and maybe you'll get update added in One UI 5, as we are not even in the first beta yet. So yeah, that's about it. A very big June update for the S22, and most likely the July update will be quite big as well, and that'll probably be it for S22 specific bug fixes. And yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you